You wrote WAEC 2026. There's no need to worry. There's no need to be afraid because, of course, by now you know your WAEC result is out. And here in Noble Tutorial, let's show you two links you can press on your phone, and you'll be able to check your WAEC result as announced by WAEC. WAEC made it clear that this year they are not giving out scratch cards. WAEC is not giving physical scratch card that you can use to check your WAEC result. But they gave out two links you can click on, and you'll be able to generate your WAEC serial number and your WAEC exam pin. Your WAEC serial number and your WAEC exam pin. Let's look at it. I want you to pay attention, and our prayer for you is that you will not repeat your WAEC. I want you to type amen. Whether you are watching for yourself or your child is the one that wrote the WAEC, your sister or brother, they will not repeat the exam. Now, let me give you step-by-step guide how to check your WAEC 2026 results online. In this guide, you will see the two links you will click on, and you'll be able to know your result, check your result, check what you scored and everything. Of course, there have been several issues with this year's WAEC, but you will not be affected. I want you to type amen. If you have not subscribed to our channel, Noble Tutorial, click on like, click on subscribe. After following these steps, the candidate, that is you or your brother or sister or your child, the candidate's result should be displayed on the device. That's on your phone, on your laptop, on your tablet. Printing of the result is recommended for reference. Now, the West African Examination Council, WAEC, has announced the release of the 2026 West African Senior School Certificate Examination, WASI, results and provided detailed instruction for candidates on how to check their scores online. Pay attention. The council released a statement on its official X account, on its official WAEC Twitter account. You can check it out and I will show you. Stating that candidates can now access their results online immediately after they retrieve their result checker pin. So, first step before you'll be able to check your WAEC result is you must retrieve your checker pin, your pin of checking your result. That is the first step. You must retrieve your pin, your checker pin. Before now, you can go to your principal in the school where you wrote and collect it. You either pay money or get it free. But now, WAEC said there is no card. You check it, you collect it by yourself online. How to check your 2026 WAEC result? Online, no. Everything is online. Here are the steps, step-by-step instruction on 2026 WAEC candidates can check their results online. Now, I hope you are paying attention. If you have not subscribed, click on subscribe. And if you have been trying to check your WAEC result and it's not going, you're having issues, please tell me in the comment section. Drop a comment below this video in the comment. Tell us the challenges you are facing and we'll see how we can resolve it. Get your serial number and PIN. That is the first thing. The first thing is to get your serial number and your PIN. Before candidates check for results, they must have their serial number. They must do what? You must have your serial number. Examination number and PIN available. Three things. Your serial number, your exam number, and your PIN. But many of you don't know your PIN. Many of you don't know your serial number. You only know your exam number. WAEC release steps to retrieve the serial number and PIN in case the candidate does not have it already. That is where you might be having challenges, and a lot of parents have been calling me saying they have been trying, they don't know how to get it. Pay attention. Visit www.waec.org, www.waec.org, and select the serial number and PIN menu. Look at, there's a video on our channel, Noble Tutorial, where we did it practical. You can look at it right now. Visit waec.org, www.waec.org, and select the serial. Once you click on that site, you will see a place. You click on menu, you see a menu type that they wrote serial number and PIN. Click on it. Then when you click on it, select the appropriate examination year. Your year is 2026. I don't know the year you are watching this video, but if it's 2026, you select it. If it's 2027, 2028, 2030, you select it. Enter your examination number and your NIN. You cannot get or see your WAEC result without your exam number, without your name. Remember, this year, NIN was compulsory for WAEC registration. Without NIN, you couldn't have registered. So that same NIN you use in registration, I'm explaining this in calmly so that you understand. That same NIN you use in registering is the one you must use to get your serial number and your PIN. Ensure the NIN is the same one that was used during your WAEC registration. I hope you understand. Enter your email and phone number to generate a one-time password. They will give you a one-time password to be sure that you are the owner of the exam number, you are the owner of the WAEC NIN. Input that password, one-time password, to successfully. So once you put in your NIN and your phone number, that website will send you a password. You put that password to recover your serial number. Once you put that password, you will be able to see your serial number and your PIN. Do you understand? Remember, let me go through it again. Go to this website, waec.org. Once you go there, we will see do it practical. Select serial number and PIN. Click on serial number and PIN. So this is the first link you need. The first link is WAEC. Write it down somewhere. waec.org. Then select appropriate exam year. Enter your exam number and your NIN. Enter your email and phone number, and you now get your OTP, one-time password, and you'll be able to see it. Now, step 2, after you are done with this other one, is go to WAEC Result Portal. This is the second link, second website, second link. Candidates must type WAEC Result Checker, www.waecdirect.org, www.waecdirect.org. Just on your browser, that is your Chrome or your Firefox or your any browser, any app you use in browsing on your phone or laptop or your tablet, type www.waecdirect.org, www.waecdirect.org, www.waecdirect.org on your device. That is on your phone, on your laptop, on your tablet, on your desktop, anyone you are using. Very important. WAEC also stated that candidates can download their WAEC ID cards on their mobile device. So once you do this, once you click on it, candidates must put their 10-digit examination number. Once you go to www.waecdirect.org, you must now put your 10 digits exam number, your WAEC exam number. You put it here, then it's made up 7 digits center number followed by 3 digits candidate's number. Look at the example here. This is the way it normally looks. Now, step 4, put in your examination year, 2026, 2027, 2030, the year you are checking. I don't know the year you are watching this, the particular year you are checking for that result. Put it that you wrote that exam. Put in the type of exam. Is it GCE? Then it's private candidate. But if you wrote the exam in a school as a normal WAEC, not GCE, normal WAEC, you type school exam, right? Then candidates must ensure they select the suitable examination type in order to get the correct information. You must put the suitable examination type. Then select your serial number and PIN. Then you will see a space. After you put the exam number, you see a space to put your serial, that serial number you generated though in the first website. You will now put it in the first link. Put your serial number, put your PIN. You will see the space. Candidates must enter the serial number and then the PIN they retrieve from the WAEC portal earlier. That one I showed you. You must put it, then submit. Once you do it, you click on submit. Bam, it will submit. Once you see submit, you click on submit. Then after following these steps, the candidates, your result, either your result, your child's result, should be displayed on the device. Some of you are having issues with your result is not showing, your WAEC result is held, all this one. Don't worry, in the next video I will handle it. Then we'll explain how you can retrieve your result. If you're having issues, let me know. Printing of the result is recommended for future reference and endeavors. Once your result shows, and I pray that you will make it, you will not get D7, you will not get E8, you will not get F9. Type amen in the comment section if you believe it. Type I claim it. Now, if you go to WAEC, if you go to X now, that is Twitter, all of you that are Gen Zs, you are on Twitter. So go to, this one is not TikTok or Facebook, go to X on Twitter and search for WAEC Nigeria. You will see WAEC Nigeria, the verified handle. You will see a post they made some days ago. How to get your serial number and PIN. They gave out 3 links. WAEC.org and the other one that I showed you, WAECdirect.org. These are the 2 links for anybody, 2 websites, 2 links for anybody that wants to check your WAEC result. There is a video on your screen now, and in that video we did everything practical. Click on it and watch now. Click on this video on your screen and watch now.